Welcome back to Success with Steven. My name is Steven Smith. On this channel, we discuss all things financial literacy. Today, we're going to be covering our second bank bonus hacking video of 2026. In our last video, you were able to earn up to $1,000 from 3 bank bonuses. And today, we'll be covering 5 additional banks that you can earn $1,500 or more than that from. If you're new to the channel, please drop a comment below. Let me know that you're new. I would love to welcome you. And while you're here, you'll definitely want to get something to track all of these accounts with, especially as we continue to update this list throughout the year. The goal is to make everyone $10,000 using this method. And after this video, we'll be down to $7,500 left. So make sure that you watch the previous video. And remember to download your bank bonus hacking spreadsheet tracker for free on www.successwithstevensmith.com. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Just like our previous video, we're going to briefly discuss what bank bonus hacking is for anyone who may be hearing this for the first time, or again, if you're new to the channel. So basically, bank bonus hacking is hacking the banking system, but legally, of course. Now, banks want new customers. They attract them with these bonus offers. Sometimes they're $200, $300, even $600 or more than that if you open an account and you meet a few conditions like setting up direct deposit. Now you open the account, you complete the required steps, you grab the bonus, and then you move on to the next one. And that's it. And if you do this right, you can rack up thousands of dollars per year. At the height of this, I've made over $30,000. Now for today's video, to make this strategy work, you will need to deposit a total of $3,666 over roughly 90 days. Or to put more simply, if you receive around $1,833 every 2 weeks in direct deposit, then you should be able to complete this without much trouble. Another option is to open the accounts in order based on when each offer will expire, starting with the one that expires the soonest and saving the one with the latest expiration date for last. My goal was to make this approach as cost effective and easy to follow as possible for anyone. Now, if you don't have direct deposit from an employer, watch my video on how to fake a direct deposit for bank bonus hacking. I provide 5 ways that you can replicate a direct deposit to qualify for these bonuses. Next, I'm going to walk you through 5 bank offers that you can sign up for today with bonuses that add up to exactly $1,500. But depending on how much money you're able to deposit, you can earn as high as $2,250. And the links for each offer will be down in the description. Now, the first bank that we're going to be looking at is BMO Harris. And with BMO Harris, you can earn a $400 cash bonus when you open a new BMO Harris personal checking account. Now, there will be 3 different accounts that you can open, but I recommend that you open the BMO Smart Advantage checking account. With this one, there is no monthly maintenance fee. There's also no minimum balance required. There's also fee-free transactions at more than 40,000 all-point network ATMs nationwide, and you can bank on the go with the BMO digital banking app, as well as pay your bills, transfer money, and a whole lot more. Now, there are 2 additional accounts here. However, they do have other requirements that are needed. For example, you have a $5 monthly maintenance fee on the BMO Smart Money checking account. There's also the BMO relationship checking account, and with that one you have a $25 monthly maintenance fee, but that fee can be waived. It can also be waived with this account if you're under the age of 25. If you're interested in keeping this account for the long term, then you could definitely look at more details for these 2 accounts. But once again, the Smart Advantage checking account can still qualify for that bonus without requiring you to have to go through a monthly fee or any of the other requirements. Always, number 1, check terms and conditions, and always check how you qualify. This can change at any point. So at the time of recording this video, whatever we talk about was valid, but you should always click on the link because these offers can be canceled or changed at any time. So step number 1, you open the account. Fairly simple. You open that new checking account online. You can also do this in branch, but I would definitely let them know about the offer if you're in branch. Number 2, make qualifying direct deposits within 90 days. Again, we'll go over that in one moment. And then step 3, you will earn your bonus and they will deposit that directly into your account. Now, let's see how we qualify for this. So to take advantage of the new personal checking account cash bonus offer, you must open your account between January 29th, 2026 and May 4th, 2026. And you have to use the promo code. There will be a promo code that's provided when you go to open this account. Now you can apply online once again, and if you apply at a branch or by phone for this checking account, you want to click through to the personal checking account cash bonus offer page, and then you want to enter your information and select send my promo code to receive the promo code, and you must do this when opening the account. Accounts opened online on May 4th, 2026 must have their application submitted and approved prior to 9 p.m. That's going to be Central Time. Now, if you open your account by calling the 1-800 number that you see on screen, they must receive your opening deposit and all signed account opening documents by May 4th, 2026. Now, again, at the time of recording this video, you can open any of the 3 options that they showed us at the very top. So any account, BMO Smart Money Checking, BMO Smart Advantage, and BMO Relationship Checking. Now, you need to have a total of $4,000 in qualifying direct deposits, and that needs to post to your account within 90 days of account opening. Back at the beginning of the video, I already talked about exactly what that breaks down to, and you can do that easily within 90 days. Now, this offer is limited to 1 per customer and account, including trustees and signers on joint accounts, so it only goes to 1 person. This offer is not available for existing BMO personal checking account customers, including trustees and signees or joint accounts, or for those who have closed a BMO personal checking account within the past 12 months. Cash bonuses may be reported to the IRS for tax purposes, and you are responsible for any applicable taxes. And like I said before, the offer can be changed or canceled without notice at any time, and it cannot be combined with any other offer. If your balance is 0, they may close your account. Your account must be open and in good standing and must have a balance greater than 0 when you receive that cash bonus. They also let you know what qualifies as direct deposits, and that's regular income from your employer or a similar third party, like a salary, a paycheck, pension payments. If you're receiving some sort of like Social Security benefits, then that will count as well, or any other government benefits, that also counts, as long as it's being electronically deposited into this account. And that's going to be using your account number and your BMO Harris's routing number that they provide. They also reserve the right to request documentation on that direct deposit. And they also say that non-qualifying examples would be a teller deposit, a wire transfer, a ATM transfer, or anything like that. It also does not count brokerage account and account to account or peer-to-peer Zelle and Venmo transfers. Now, once again, this is always subject to change, so I recommend you go down, you read what you need to qualify on your own, and make sure that you're meeting all of the requirements in order to get this bonus properly. Next bank that we're looking at is going to be Huntington Bank, and with this one, you can actually earn up to a $600 bonus, but we're only looking at the $400. Now, if you want to qualify for the $600, I'll talk about exactly what the requirements are, but again, we're talking about the $400 bonus for the purposes of this video. You need to be a new personal checking account customer, and you have to apply by June 15th, 2026. And just like our previous bank, there is 3 easy steps. Open the account by June 15th, then you have to meet the requirements. Now, that's going to be with the perks checking, set up and receive qualifying direct deposits such as payroll or government payment totaling $500 or more within 90 days of account opening, and then keeping your account open for at least 90 days. Now, for that perks checking, that is how you get the $400. Now, let's look at the platinum perks checking. If you deposit $25,000 or more in new money within 90 days of account opening, you need to keep the account open for 90 days. You can get $600. And then for step 3, they let you know you get your bonus. And once again, if you met the requirements, you'll either get $400 for the perks checking or $600 for the platinum perks checking, and you will get that deposited into your account within 14 days. Now, really want to point this out. This does not work with the asterisk free checking, okay? So this one will not work. You have to get the Huntington Perks checking at the very least to get your $400 bonus. Now, with this account, there is no monthly maintenance fee with $1,000 in total monthly deposits or $5,000 in total relationship balances. Otherwise, it will be $10 a month. You have to keep that in mind. Now, when it comes to the platinum perks checking, there's also no fee if you do have $25,000 in total relationship balances. Otherwise, it's $25 a month. Now, this offer is only available to applicants residing in Colorado, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Michigan, Minnesota, North Carolina, Ohio, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Texas, West Virginia, or Wisconsin. But don't worry, I have another bank bonus that can make up the difference just in case you don't live in any of the aforementioned states. Now, for the cash bonus offer terms and conditions, you'll see that it's pretty much the exact same like what we saw before. Like, for example, in order for this to work, you need to make a qualifying deposit through the real-time payment RTP network and not payments that are peer-to-peer like PayPal, Zelle, or Venmo. Those will not qualify as direct deposits. And you can also see here that the offer is only available to a new personal checking account customer, and all existing checking account customers, including those with any relationship, they are not able to actually get this bonus offer. Now, once again, you will always want to come down to terms and conditions, and you will want to read this. You'll want to verify everything to make sure that you can still qualify. Next up, we have Bank of America. Now, you can earn up to $500. However, we're looking at the $300 cash offer for today. Now, for you to qualify for this offer, it looks like you need to have the Advantage Plus banking account or the Advantage Relationship Banking. I don't believe that it works with the Advantage Safe Balance banking account. So with this one, you will need a minimum of $100 to open it, and it can be a $12 or zero monthly maintenance fee. There are ways to waive this, including setting up direct deposit. So it kind of already waives itself just in terms of what's required to qualify for the bonus offer. There's also the Advantage Relationship Banking account, same minimum opening deposit, but it does have a $25 fee or zero monthly maintenance fee. And again, that can also be waived depending on a few criteria. Now, if we scroll down here, this is how you qualify. You open a new eligible checking account, and this is through May 31st, 2026. And this says only new checking account customers can take advantage of this offer. You will set up and receive qualifying direct deposits into your new account within 90 days of account opening. Your bonus amount will be based on the total amount of qualifying direct deposits in the first 90 days. So if you do a total of $2,000 in 90 days, then you can receive $100. If you do $5,000 in that same time frame, it's $300. If you can do $10,000 or more, again, in a 90-day period, which would be somewhere around $3,333. If you do that per month 3 times, you'll just about qualify for this bonus. I think you need maybe $2 more in order to hit that. After that deposit period has passed and all requirements are met, they will attempt to deposit that bonus into your account within 60 days. And then it says right here that Bank of America Safe Balance Banking or for family banking accounts are not eligible for this offer. So that means that yes, the Advantage Plus banking and the Advantage Relationship Banking account, those 2 accounts should qualify. And Bank of America makes it pretty straightforward. They have a bonus chart that you can obviously see here with the time frame, the accounts that are not eligible, and of course we already know what qualifies as direct deposit. It's pretty much the same across the board. However, I always recommend that you come here and you read terms and conditions, qualifying direct deposits, non-qualifying, and just to make sure that this is actually still going on. And you want to make sure that they haven't changed any of the requirements because again, that's subject to change at any time. The next bank on our list will be Fifth Third. Now with Fifth Third, you can get a $350 checking account bonus offer, and you can earn this by June 30th, 2026. Now for this bank, the $350 offer code will be automatically applied when you select open your account. Now to qualify, it's 3 steps once again. You open the account, you make direct deposits totaling $500 or more within 90 days of account opening, and then you enjoy your $350 bonus within 10 business days of making your qualifying deposits. Now they have a free checking account, which I love. There's no overdraft fees, there's no hidden fees, there's no minimum deposit required, and there's no monthly service fee. And then Fifth Third has an easy FAQ that you can check out with all of the stipulations for this bonus. To qualify, they also give the disclosures here and exactly what qualifies as direct deposit. They also give any other information that you might need as far as the time frame and some additional information about the customers that qualify. Like for example, this offer is only available for new customers who do not have any ownership in an existing Fifth Third checking account or a Fifth Third checking account that was closed within the last 13 months. Also, they put here your unique offer code must be presented at account opening to receive the bonus. So if you're in branch, it says see your banker for details, and it's not valid with any other offer. And the last bank on our list is going to be Sofi. Now, you can have a $400 bonus when you open this account with Sofi. However, the bonus that I was actually looking at was the $50 bonus. So that's the great thing. If you can qualify for the 400 one, it can make up for the previous bonus with Huntington if you're not in one of these states where you can actually qualify for the bonus. This is for new and existing Sofi members who have never set up direct deposit with Sofi. They are eligible. So that is very different from all the other banks on this list. And number one, you set up your first eligible direct deposit. Sofi must receive it before December 31st, 2026. Once Sofi receives and recognizes your first eligible direct deposit of $1 or more, they will add up the total eligible direct deposits that are received over the next 25 calendar days. Now, if we take a look at this, it says that if you have $1 to $999.99, it is zero. Anything from $1,000 up to $4,999.99, then it is $50. And then anything from $5,000 or more would be $400. Now, I know it's kind of late, but let's say that you were getting your taxes. That's still a government agency. You then could look at maybe getting the direct deposit for that, and then that would help you qualify with one lump sum for the $400. Now, if that situation can apply to you, then that would be amazing. And if not, then you would just need to maybe set up direct deposit for Sofi. That way you can hit the $5,000 if it's your, let's say, your entire month that you need to make that money. Or you'll need to set up direct deposit for Sofi, and maybe you want to start with this one and put both checks that you have so they can hit that, because this one is within 30 days. Not 90 days, all right? So you need to have all of that money fairly quick. If not, you can still qualify for the $50, because if you add up all of our bank bonuses, this 50 would get us to 1,500 between all of the ones that we mentioned today. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you got any value from this, then please like and subscribe to the channel. I truly appreciate that. I'll continue creating more content like this throughout the year, and each time I'll continue to add bigger bonuses with larger payouts to help you reach that $10,000 in 2026. So now we're down $2,500. We have $7,500 left to go. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day.